everyone! 今日も月が綺麗ですね。And today I will tell you about Nikko nature trip. Let's go! Oh my god! We can't see anything because of the fog. Okay, then we will go to Ryuzu-no-taki. Such a nice place. Next place is Yunoko and Yunotaki. You can take the stair to go down to the bottom of the Yunoko Waterfall. We had enough nature, so now we are hungry. Let's go eat. We went to a restaurant called Nantai. It is such a nice place. I recommend it a lot. If you go around Chuzenjiko, try to eat here. Oishii? Then we go to Nikko Toshogu, one of the most famous shrines in Japan. The building decorations are wonderfully colorful. Let's try to find the famous three monkeys. Can you find a sleeping cat hidden here? Here! Last place is Kirifuri Kogen. You can go here by bus or car in 20 minutes from Toshogu area. July is the blooming season of its fabulous yellow flowers. It's such a nice place. We are finally going back to Tokyo. Thank you for watching this video. Please put a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye! It's a sky tree!
You hate the sky tree!